Hi, my name is John Demos. I'm the creator of and programmer of Digital Clinical Norms software. DCN 128 is software to help you to produce digital clinical norms information for your clients. It allows you to use BrainMaster's MiniQ headbox and to acquire data at 12 specific International 1020 locations and 8 bandwidths. That's what 128 means, Digital Clinical Norms 128. The purpose of this video that you are about to watch is to help you to get started with DCN 128, to show you how to load the software and to answer some of your basic questions. And so I'm hoping at this particular point that you have printed out the manual that is on my website, www.eegvermont.com, and you will see that I'll be following the manual closely and also showing you shots of my computer that you will be able to use when you load the data on your computer. There are several requirements that you will need before you can use digital DCN 128, and let me review those requirements quickly before we start looking at computer shots. First, you must have a BrainMaster with 2.5 SE software. Second, you must have a MiniQ headbox that has been designed by BrainMaster. Third, you must have a computer that has BrainMaster software loaded on it. And you must have Excel 2003 loaded on your computer. Now notice I said Excel 2003. No other version will work at this particular time. So those are the basics of what you need, and now I'm going to take you through a step-by-step walkthrough of how to get started with DCN 128. In order to obtain DCN 128 software, all you have to do is download BrainMaster software right on the BrainMaster website. For example, right here on the left-hand column of the BrainMaster website, right beneath the cerebral cortex picture, you will see where it says Download 2.5 Updates. Once you click where it says here, right on top, you will automatically begin the download. All you have to click is Run, and the rest will happen automatically. It will extract the software and put it on your laptop. That will be the core software as well as the updates for 2.5 software. So likely if you are a BrainMaster user and you've already taken this step, you are all set to go. I'm going to show you what happens when I click Run. There you'll begin downloading immediately, and it will be extracted and placed upon your computer. So I'm going to cancel this right now. And I also want to mention back on the home page that there's something else that you need to see as well. All right. So back on the home page, right below the 2.5 upgrade, we will find that there is also 3.0 downloads. Now, what will downloading the 3.0 software do? That will give you DCN 128 version 2. So version 2 of DCN 128, which contains the child database and other refinements, can only be found in the 3.0 download section. So once you download and click here, you will obtain the latest version of DCN 128. All right, so let's assume you've already done that. And we're going to close down Windows, and we're going to stop right here for a moment and take another look at our laptops.
Cut.
Okay, good.
The only thing, John, is you're doing real.
Before we begin our discussion, I want to review one point and make it very clear that you will need Excel on your laptop, and this must be version 2003. If you have version 2002 of Excel, it DCN 128 will not work. Okay, just a little bit of a review. Now I'm going to bring up the BrainMaster training screen, that the home page, you might say, of the software. And here this is the first place that you will look to see if you can use DCN 128. And what I'd like you to do is to click where it says Log into BrainMaster. Please do that. And then once you've clicked Log in, then click OK. Now on this list, you're going to need 2 items. And one item is this first one. It says MiniQ is enabled. It must say that. The next item is right at the bottom of my list, because I have quite a few options for my BrainMaster system. It says DCN 128 Digital Clinical Norms is enabled. If you do not have those 2 sentences, then DCN will not work properly with BrainMaster's MiniQ. Now, you may not have all the options I have, but you do need those 2 sentences. Number 1, and I'm just going to put my finger here. Number 1, MiniQ is enabled. And number 2, DCN 128 Digital Clinical Norms is enabled. You must have those 2. Okay, now that we've done that, we're going to go to Review Session Results. Please click there. Now, as you review session results, the next thing you need to make sure that your BrainMaster software is working properly. Now, this is a MiniQ file. This is an example of a good MiniQ data recording. And what I'd like you to do is just select any, right here it says select, click any training screen that you ever did. Like here's one right here. It says somebody I trained at some point, and or I'll click this one. And that's another one. All right, so just click any data that you may have. Okay? I just went OK. So this is any training data. This has nothing to do with MiniQ. And what I want you to do is I want you to click on Quick File. See where it says Quick File? Okay, you click. Now what do you see? You see a page of information. This looks just like an Excel spreadsheet. It is a type of Excel spreadsheet called a CSV file that BrainMaster automatically produces. And if you have Excel 2003 in your laptop, everything will look perfect. And so this must work perfectly in your BrainMaster software. I'm going to X this out, just the way we do on any computer screen. I'm going to, right there, and we're going to go right back. Remember what I clicked. What did I click? Quick File. Okay? That's how you get the CSV file spreadsheet. And that's for any type of BrainMaster training.